Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I have written a Python program to find sum of n natural numbers by using a for loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. I am opening the Python interpreter by just typing here in type here to search. In that particular, I'll just write IDLE. So this is an Python interpreter which I am opening. So in this particular video, I am writing a program to find sum of n natural numbers. For example, if the user enters the n value as 3, then it will find 1 plus 2 plus 3. Means 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. If the user enters 4, then the sum will be 10. So I'll create a new file by using the shortcut key Ctrl N. So this is a new file where I will be writing a program. Just I am adjusting the size of the screen of the file. So here first I will write the program name as a comment hash Python program to find the sum of the natural numbers, sum of the given n natural numbers. So here I will be using a for loop. For that purpose I write by using for loop statement. So now I'll write the program where I will read the value of n. I will write n equal to int within a bracket input within a bracket within a single quotes enter the n value single space single quotes close bracket close bracket close. It is used for the purpose of reading a value, and that value will be stored in a variable called n. So here I am using an input function, and it will be reading a string value that will be converted to integer. For more details regarding input function, you can watch the previous video in my YouTube channel regarding an input function. Then after reading the value of n, then I will write sum variable and will initialize the value as 0. So write sum equal to 0. Then after that I will take another variable called m equal to n for the purpose of displaying the output after coming out of the loop. Then now I will consider the loop. I will write for num in range open the bracket 1, that is the starting value is 1 and ending value should be n, therefore it should be n plus 1 comma, and each time it has to be incremented by 1. For that purpose I will write 1 close the bracket, after that colon, press enter. Now you are in the for loop. So here write the statement to find the sum of the n natural numbers. So here we can write sum equal to sum plus num. So that value will be stored in a variable called num. For that purpose I use the variable num. So here this sum I will write sum NAT, that means sum of natural numbers. Here also I change this one as sum NAT because it is a keyword. So here also I will write sum NAT, so sum of natural numbers is equal to sum of natural numbers plus num. Press the enter. So this particular loop will be iterated for n number of times. After that press the backspace. So here I will write the output statement print open bracket within a double quotes the sum of double quotes close comma n, or you can write m comma within a double quotes natural numbers is double quotes close, comma, and that is stored variable in are called sum, NAT, that is sum of natural, close the bracket. So this is the program. I'll close this particular program by just saving. That means just I will not close the program, just I will end the writing of an program by saving the program. To save the program, the shortcut key is Ctrl S. So I'll save the program as sum natural, that means sum of natural numbers. Press enter key. The program is saved. Now to run the program, I'll use the shortcut key F5. So now it is asking enter the n value, so I will give the value as 4 and I will press enter. So the sum of 4 natural numbers is 10. How? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. Similarly, if you want another one output, just come to the script mode, press F5 again. Now give the value as 10. So now the output will be 55. Okay, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 10. So now I will show you how this particular output we get. As an example, I will consider the value of n as 4. Okay, so here the value of n I will consider as 4. Okay, then the sum value, so n value will be 4, I am writing below, and here I will consider the sum of natural. Initially it is what? It is 0. Okay, so n value is, I am considering and 4 and sum of natural as 0, and initially num value. So num value will be what? So num value is nothing but here in range 1 comma n plus 1. So first it will be 1 and that is assigned to a variable called num. So num value will be initially 1. Okay, so num will be equal to 1, sum of natural will be equal to 0, and n value we are considering as 4. So here whatever that range is there, that range will be taking this form. What is that? A range within a bracket 1, I have written n plus 1. So n value is 4. So therefore it will be 4 plus 1, that is 5, comma 1, close the bracket. That means it will be generating the numbers from 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then, so first it will be a 1. So therefore num value will be a 1. Then sum natural is equal to sum natural plus num. Sum nat, that is I have considered as a sum of natural numbers. So initially what is that? 0. 0 plus num. Num value is 1. Therefore the sum of natural number now it will be what? 1. Then it comes here again. It executes this one range. So now initially the value of num was 1. Now what happens? The range function, now it will be executing. So now the range function, after 1 the next number it will be generating is 2. So therefore the num value will be now 2. Then after that it will check 2 in range of 1 comma 5 comma 1. So condition becomes true. Again it will enter. Again it will calculate sum nat. So sum nat is 1 plus num. Num value is 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. Okay. Then after that so num value. So here again it will come in the range function. Now it will be incrementing. So initially it was 2. After that now the range value will be generating a number called 3. So now that is assigned to a num. So num value will be 3. Then so num 3 in a range of 1 comma 3, right? So num in the sense just a number. So number is in 3, yes. Now again it will enter. Now sum mat, right? So sum mat, whatever is there is sum of nat. So this one, sum nat is equal to sum nat plus num. So sum nat is 3 and num value is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So therefore sum of natural numbers will be equal to 6. Then again after that, again the range function will be generating a next number, and that next number is what? 4. So num in range of 1 comma 5 comma 1. Yes, now the value is 4. Num value is 4. It is in the range of 1 comma 5 comma 1. So therefore condition becomes true. It will enter sum of nat is equal to sum nat plus num. So sum nat value is 6 plus num value is 4. So 6 plus 4, it will be equal to 10 now. Okay. Then after that, range of 1 comma 5 comma 1. Then it will be it has generated 4. Now it will range value will now become 5. That means it will generate a 5, which is excluded because we have written range of n plus 1 comma 1. So it will be generating up to 4 only. 5 is not included. So therefore it comes out of the loop. The condition becomes false. So here, then it comes out of the loop. So that means this particular statement is not executed. It will come here. So print the sum of n as n natural number is sum nat. So therefore it will display sum of 4 natural numbers is, that is what, 10. Okay, so here you can observe the sum of 4 natural numbers is 10. Like this way you can write and program to find sum of natural numbers, that is n natural numbers, by using the for loop. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.